Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Now, I do believe that we will bottom in July, and I'm going to talk about why. There's a lot of things actually coming together because one, we are going to raise rates at the end of July. I think leading up to that, there'll be another slight dip. I am expecting 75 basis points, just like the last raise. And I think everyone else is expecting it too. We all know that when yields go up, generally crypto goes down. And I expect yields to go up because we are raising interest rates 75%. And the thing is, there's going to be a lot more liquidations in July. And I think like things are going to collapse pretty fast. Now, I don't know how much more the price is actually going to collapse down, maybe like 15K or so, because I think part of it is people have already gotten used to things being liquidated, so I'm not really sure how much further it's going to go down. Now, if Grayscale gets liquidated or MicroStrategy gets liquidated, we're probably going to go down quite a bit further, but I don't think Grayscale and MicroStrategy are going to get liquidated. Michael Saylor just buying more Bitcoin, so he has plenty of money. Grayscale has so much money just from the fees that I don't think they're really in trouble. I have not seen any signs of Grayscale being in trouble. However, there's going to be a lot of other companies that completely get wiped out, and there's going to be other companies that are exiting crypto. Genesis Trading is on the hook for hundreds of millions of dollars because of Three Arrows Capital. And that could definitely be very, very problematic. Cyberpunk has sold off all its Bitcoin and Ether. So you can see like just at the end of June, not even July, at the end of June, like there's a lot of actual sell-offs. And I think like that's going to start to impact price. This is part of the reason we're actually going down right now. But how far we'll go down is of question because I don't think we're going to go that far down. I think further liquidations may not impact the price as much as previous liquidations have because people have already gotten used to the idea and they won't react as badly. But there are going to be a lot of closings and a lot of liquidations. I think there's more companies than we think that are over leveraged. And those over leveraged companies will actually be bought up by healthier companies and bigger companies like FTX. And we're seeing that right now. And I think that's one of the reasons it probably won't go down as much as people think. Because even though that these companies' positions are bad, other bigger companies will buy them up. Yeah, yes, that centralizes crypto's power more, but that will actually help avoid completely contagious disaster. And in fact, we have JP Morgan saying that this current deleveraging cycle won't last much longer. And I think one more month is basically a good idea of how long it'll actually last. Because you have FTX, you have Binance, you have Goldman Sachs, and you have others waiting to lap these companies up. And once they actually buy enough, they'll actually want the market to go back up. So I don't think it'll actually last that much longer. And the liquidations like Celsius, which FTX actually stepped away from, obviously, they're actually going to just die. So like in the next 30 days, you'll see like I think you'll see the full cycle of Terra Luna collapsing affect the entire market. I think like you're going to see maybe a dozen or so companies go belly up. And then like some of them will actually be bought up by far bigger and far stronger companies. So you're going to see like a lot of like these robber baron companies come to the rescue. But you're also going to see a lot of projects just complete die out. And yes, that will probably take us lower. But I don't think below the $15,000 mark. The economy, of course, can be announced to go into recession, but if we don't in July, I actually think that will actually lift us up a bit. So I do actually think we will actually bottom in July because the liquidations are coming fast, the deleveraging is coming fast, and we're going to bottom once all that actually happens. And I do believe all that will happen in July. Plus, if you really look at the election cycle, I don't think they're going to want to do anything massive to the economy coming into the midterms for ratings purposes. So that's another reason as well. So that's my analysis. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.